Hey guys, this is Stephanie. How y'all doing? How is everything? Oh my God, I miss you guys so much. Yeah. So I did a haul and um I went to St. Augustine for vacation. And on my way coming back, because I live in Florida, in Tampa, so for St. Augustine is like around 3 hours drive. So coming back from St. Augustine, I'm like, let me stop at the fabric store in Orlando. There's a fabric store called a Sewing Studio. Let me tell you, everything you need for your prom is right there. Okay, so let me show you what I purchased. I got some beautiful fabric. This is one of them, which is the green and black. And I did, I started making stuff already. So this is the green and black. Okay, let me show you. That's the one I just made. And I got that fabric. I got this fabric. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. I got this fabric. I also got the orange to the green and black. Yes, it's beautiful. Okay. So I did get some solid color. I look at the screen. Oh my God, look at the screen. It is so pretty. So this is the Milliskin. This is the Milliskin. And I got the matching um mesh to it. So here's the mesh right through. See? So I got the mesh to it. All right. So that is the neon green. And it's so look, it's so pretty. Okay. So I got that. All right. And guess what color else I got? I got the pink. Look at this pink. No, look at this pink. Look at this pink. And I got the mesh to it too. So this is the mesh. And these are four-way. The Milliskin are four-way. These are four-way, but this have more stretch this way than this way. You see? All right. So I got those, and that's what I got. So how you guys doing? So I had to show you my small mini haul when I went to the sewing fabric store it's in Maitland, Florida, which is close to Orlando. All right, and that's about it, guys. So I've been making some um, quite a little bit collection. I've made some other stuff with the green, which is like this also. This is, you know, this is one of them with my brand name. So, simple thong with my brand name. Okay, and two-piece, and I also make this. So I have a couple more to make. Okay, and it will be on my website. Okay, for purchase. All right. I'm also going to be working on a mini collection. So I'm going to be working on that. And the next vlog, let's talk about that. Okay. You guys, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for oh, I forgot. Hold up, I forgot. I did buy something else. So they had strings. The string that I normally buy is this type of string, and it's like elastic, but it's really um, it's hard to break. Okay, but I saw this at the Maitland store. Okay, and I'm like, oh my God, it is so well. I'm thinking about using this. That you could use this for spaghetti straps. So these are spaghetti strap string. Let's see if you can, yeah. So I got a whole bunch of that. I got French. Yes. So the French is so pretty. I got that French. Okay. I think it's so pretty. So I got this. It's so well. I've gotten fringe in the past, and some you can look at it and it look cheap. I don't like it. I um I never like it. I bought some Antoine and I never liked the texture of it. Honest to God. This now, the way it fall is so. I mean, let me see if I can do it up close for you. That's how it is. It's beautifully woven. It's really pretty. Okay, so I did get those. Now I got 10 yard of the string, and it was 55 cents a yard. And I get 5 yard of the actual fringe, and they were $4.22 a yard. Yeah. So yeah, I did get it from the sewing studio, as you can see. So guys, check them out. They really have some beautiful fabric. I was there, and this other designer came in, and she was like, she came to get some pink velvet. And the lady was like, "Oh, it's gone. Somebody came and just buy the whole bolt." She was livid. She was like, "I was just here yesterday." And that's the thing. When you see something that you like at the fabric store, buy it. Because as soon as you are turn around, somebody like it and then want to purchase, and then somebody ordering another one, you're like, "Oh, let me go get some more." It's gone. And that happened to me before. And I have to tell the person I have to substitute. So um, try, like, even if you're like, because these don't take too much fabric. I'll always say, make sure you have like you know, a yard of one particular fabric, so that if anything happens, you can mix and match with the fabric, so that you can at least come up with a decent outfit. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. You guys have been asking questions, and trust me, I'm answering them, because I have to make the video to answer it and show you. Especially, I get a lot of questions with trim. So I've been doing. I think I did around two other videos that I need to put up with trim. I tell her the cutting and this editing, it not play. I'm not tell her, it really is a lot of work. So thank you for your support, guys. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. Bye.